NNAMDI KANU, do you believe he's a terrorist?
He exhibited all the actions of terrorists with enough evidence. That makes one a terrorist. NNAMDI KANU organized NSAS. And they will only see that design and the so government and NSAS and I'm gonna ask you why can NNAMDI KANU na live video. See the Murtala Mohammed Airport, Lagos. See the boss the bank na Lagos. The Lagos. Why? But I'm thinking no Yama organized the so if not was strategic.
Don't you think that he would have accepted some money or this wife?
To some extent, I'm on the noon. Only offer MLA. Only be able to call ego. I say, Ocha. You doctor, Doctor Zemwa. Best surgeon in Nigeria. Dr. Akonili, Hebuye, Oje Banewi, Habuye. Okay, honorable Ebepulesi. Anibo ene bawa. The land is angry with NNAMDI and co. That's why he was arrested.
You agree that civil war was a mistake?
Big time mistake, because before the war, Eastern Nigeria was the fastest growing economy in the world under M.I. Opara as premier of Eastern Nigeria. Other part of the region, Nabia and Igbo Kanado Godoibo. Oya Kaziki na Abu Duku. As an Igbo Ndi 30,000 Ugo say yes, Managa Abu option. Naga Abu Mana just like radicalized youth in radical name. And I said, Biafra is not feasible. Let me tell you again, it's not. And again, nobody is giving you Biafra. What you should be talking about visual Biafra. Biafra they are Biafra. Biafra that would to Lego. Was it catch Lego na the color to Lego to Mara went to na Otium na trouble, the zone na trouble. This thing was a game for job men. On the Obale again na for the Tinyego na any hoy well na Biafra. When they take na any minister. No, but when they Tinyego na Biafra na any minister.
Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. You know, whenever we have a guest from the diaspora, I always want to make the bam, you know, let it sound, you know, British, you know, bam, bam, you know. And they were, umaka say me I not get bam. Umaka say akopwale obuni nwere obi etie na aru. Obuni bam, iman obro bam. Obuni ime ekumuye ka oda bam. If you cannot say it the way it is, come on, buddy. Today we have all the way from the UK. A young man that, an Igbo man, of course, because we are Igbo before we became anything. An Igbo man all the way from UK, he's joining us today. We've been seeing what he's doing on social media, and then we deemed it fit to bring him on board. Can I discuss one or two things about Ndi Igbo? What is affecting us today? Where we are as Ndi Igbo, and the way forward. Can I batano, Mr. Ikechukwu, Emeka, Onyia. Ike, welcome to BAM.
BAM.
Thank you. Thank you. Dalo. Please feel free to flow in any language that you're comfortable with. If it's English, you know, just what we need here is effective communication. Go ahead. Governor, my brother. Please explain to us, tell us, who is Ikechukwu Emeka Onyia? Go ahead, please.
Ikechukwu Emeka Onyia bụ onye nise nke dị n'Awka South Local Government Area, Anambra State.
Okay.
Ikechukwu Emeka Onyia bụkwa ezigbote onye Igbo. Ihe gbasara Igbo na-adị mma.
Okay.
Onye chọkwa ka anyị Igbo dị mma. Onye chọrọ ka na-etinye ọnụ na bring ya na conversation on topical issue.
Yes.
Because we believe in a conversation or help or shape ya na public policy.
Yes.
Because ọbụ na onye ọbụla na-agbalụ okwu ọsọ, okwu ekwesịrị ikwu ekwu, a na-agbalị ọsọ ihe a na-emebi n'ala Igbo. Mana ọ bụ onye na-etinye ọnụ n'okwu ma ọ na-atụrịga ihe a na-akpọ triggering conversation, ibido conversation, enwe conversation. And Ikechukwu Emeka Onyia bụ a public relation personnel or somebody named here, as in only into public relation. that obi na UK, United Kingdom, tata. Mana,
check who is not
anya na-erume ụlọ. Because na imeche banyị ka bụ banyị.
Of course.
Ọ bụ onye banyị na-amasị. Ọ bele nkọwa nwere. Ikechukwu Emeka Onyia bụkwa a family man. Onye nke na-anụ nwaanyị nwee ụmụazị.
Dalorinne.
Thank you.
Dalorinne. I love the fact that you have Igbo names. Ikechukwu Emeka Onyia, no English name and everything. Or you want no English name at all?
Enwekwe nke abụ mo, but nke abụ mbanyego na certificate m.
Okay.
Mana nke a bụ nke nna I like me dey use like ụmụ m niile onwere abịazị onwere ụmụ m bụ English name ancha bụ Igbo name ancha niile because abụ m onye ihe gbasara Igbo na-amasị.
Dalorinne. Dalorinne, same with me. I'm somebody that believe in Igbo names. None of my kids have Igbo name. Do you have anything to say to people that really feel like Obana Emoro English name that they are not complete? Do you have anything to say to parents? Say, no, even at this age, onye ọbụla ka na-agba mbọ ka emo ọba nwa ya afa English ma emo afa Spanish Helena nke nwa Alliance Helena. Do you have anything to say about that?
Ihe nwere ike ịgwa ha bụ ịma ihe niile na-asị aka usoro onye ama na mana ihe a ga na-eme ka a na-akọwara ha encouraging them ha mmalụ na ọ bụ na ị chọọ ịbụ nwa gị afa na ọ ka mma ịbụ ya afa maka afa mata afa dị mkpa afa na-enwe mmiri bụọ ya afa asụsụ gị ịghọtara ya n'asụsụ ọ bụla afọ ị na-ejere interpretation so that ị na-akpụ ya ihe anyị na-akpụ ya afọ onye na-achọ die ndị Igbo na-asụ ọ bụla ilu ijegodo na akwụkwọ nsọ na Bible ifu na Abraham has to change his name also there from Abraham for prophecy around him to be fulfilled. Ifu Jabez change yenu afam ifu Paul to Saul to Paul meaning na afa mana ndị anyị ma dị ndị Igbo nwe ka ha si abụ afa ifu na afa gị Chinedu you need to change Chinedu.
Yes.
Nke ga package golu gị so parents ndị Igbo ha gbawa mbọ na-echenji na-abụ dị afa ọ na-enyekwa aka ụmụazị mmanụ nwere ebe ha si.
Yes.
Maka sometimes ịbụ ọnwa Emmanuel John Peter sometimes ọ bụ identity crisis.
Yes.
Nwatakịrị amalụ mana ị na-akpọlụ ya afọ ahụ mmanụ nwere ebe afọ ahụ ọmalụ afọ ya na-ada village ọ da mana na ya si village ya ọsọ ya nụgodo US or UK anywhere ọmanụ nwere ebe osi onye ọbụla n'ụlọ dị afa ma na afa bụ ka afa si Nigeria mana onye Igbo na afa bụ afa Igbo.
Dalorinne, you are very right because you are answering a wrong name when you need to interpret it or look for the meaning. It means that it is not even your language. Because my sister Mba Abalinda. It is when we grew up that Ejecheki Linda Mini Lagwa Serpent and then everything. The name Onyia Ana Mecheno Afa in Enugu State. I used to hear Onyia and I think they were one former Ohaneze Ndi Igbo bukwa Onyia Nwobodo or something. Gini ka Onyia meaning?
Onyia mean Onyia like when so many as Onyia na this when Agul I think when Obaru and what have you. Onyia mean Onyia Aywa because anybody pronounce Onyia mana hana akpọ Onyia.
Okay.
Onyia hana akpọ na achọ Onyia.
Okay.
Mana Onyia I mean as in ni ha be kwego mme na omani na tagi.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Onyia okay.
That's the meaning. No matter what, it cannot stop. It can be done.
Okay. Okay.
That's the meaning in our.
For some people that may not know you, I would want to do a background check because that's what we do on Bami. What I go Kahama and then interview my background. In wiki gwa Kedebij primary school, Kedeba Moi, Kedebij secondary school, Openij university, Kedebij university, Kehego. Go ahead, please.
Okay, agum ebe amụ na Enugu State. Aga m secondary school na Agam partially in Ghana and the boys, finishing at the boys.
Oh.
And the boys, we got University of Nigeria and Nsukka, about public administration.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
So from there, so those are they're popularly known as movement.
Okay. Okay.
Movement for the Maria Kaya. So as now University of Nigeria and Nsukka was a governor of Akintola Hall and had been active now. Also were now founding members of an executive of Anambra State Student Association then.
Nice.
I was executive then and other. So we have been here Basala Anambra and how to at least then I was the only one on all the communities. Now Anambra State student no. For this team Lagos, Amachara Obudo, Hamara had belong, Hamara territorial zone. Omo ya bo Afro Obudo Obna that is territorial zone. Only of them were Malebe Oya Gama Way High Neck.
So brought out this your agitation and then activism bido because
I wouldn't say
go ahead.
I wouldn't say that I'm an activist, but I would say that Nambo I'm passionate about a working system. As
okay.
in, I like him buying. I like him especially buying as a whole. He was aligned in the bone and the buying called him. So he's just a patriotic person, not really about activism.
Ega UNN, that makes you a lion.
Yes.
Recently, we've been hearing some disparaging news about UNN that the lions are no longer roaring, that the lions den has been, decimated. The old glory is no more there. UNN is one of the oldest university in Nigeria. Can you hear them in UNN? A lot of people say now UNN are just called, that they have lost the glory. Do you agree with that? Can you hear me?
I don't agree with it. I don't think that UNN has lost its glory. Rather, Nigeria education sector as a whole is having issue. The public education sector, public sector. The problem with UNN or whatever is problem of entire Nigeria education sector and Nigeria public sector.
Yes.
Why do I say Nigeria public policy? Nigeria public policy is the type that we are not good at adjusting to the reality or that how we adjust to the new trend. As the technology is coming, the government, or not fair government, and any organization government will on fair how to adjust. So it's not about UNN in particular, but about the entire public schools. If you remember, let me use secondary school before. Public school, government schools,
yes.
Secondary school. The private school didn't at the time. Where is it? Then I got public school correctly. Now secondary school do government way. Don't they believe na Amarihana or now parents are you get?
Yes.
So in essence now that's about the way inability of the public sector to adjust due to recruitment process. You can say when the matter all they are now affect the organization, business, government well. Because now when you get it out to if best part now media management to try and knock it out.
Yes.
The JHL for instance, Amanyegi. But give them a capacity to do it. So you mezibna, give them a private sector. Set up a new setup at the better than ABS. With all the funding and it in ABS.
Yes.
But what I'm saying in essence is that what might be happening in UNN or any other school, but general problem. Government business all over the country, I have a little research on it, is failing. All the government business. So how we management problem? They spend so much in politicking for leadership and who gets leadership and all that. The UNN, for instance, has infrastructure, has everything, has a community.
Yes.
In way less distraction to read. Because UNN is either in Abian and Suka, if you are gafe. All of they are now like in a job, it's a skill position now. Is there in Abian and Suka on the level?
Is a destination.
So I am Nelly or Bulu, but then what is happening is general issue.
Thank you. Thank you. As somebody go public relations, can you educate us what public relation is about? What do we expect from Onyia Gocha public relation? Onyia Gocha kebe okwesi na aro. And do you think that the course is still relevant today? Go ahead.
Public administration, then and public relation or public administration, the whole thing has to.
Okay, public admin. Sorry, public administration.
Yes,
sorry. Okay,
administration.
Go ahead.
But the course with different units. Although that my actually play like I focus mainly on public policy and be doing research on my own because I could say again at school. Although they desire mommy I could say bank name research now update malaria of your area of interest. Like I go find dramatic art and fine art and I find and apply art.
Yes.
I choose one of the portion of it focus on here. So on this note, I focus on public policy. Public policies are about government policy. How government policy can work. How it can work. How it can be generated. How it can work for the people. Because failure of the public policy affect private businesses. One failure of public policy can kill businesses, individual private businesses. So I am particular on how initiation, implementation, and monitoring of public policy.
Okay.
So that society can grow. And that's why you see me in full some danger. Sometimes I will be shouting. Even when people are there, I will be shouting about it.
I want to make healthy living a culture in our society. The time to make exercise, you sweat. That sweat is very important. Ibana garden, bela very natural food. Or if your body need it, just in your body to